Now we will start to speak with you about the alto clef. So the alto clef show for us where situated the middle C. Let's repeat where it's situated in treble clef. In treble clef, middle C situated under the stave. In the bass clef, middle C situated above the stave. And in alto clef should be written with the 2 vertical lines and 2 curved lines, which must go either to the middle, because the middle show for us exactly the pitch for the middle C. So it's new position for the middle C on the middle line. Above the C we have the note D, and under the C we have the note B. Let's take another any note. This, for example, C, D, E, F, G. Or under the C, any note, C, B, A, G, F. Okay, let's start with the next task. Write the name of each of these notes. So alto clef, and this is the actually middle C. This note, let's count it. C, B, A, G. I think it should be easy for you to finish with this task. And next we will start to repeat the key signature. We're going to be written the sharps and the flats. So again 2 vertical lines, again 2 curved lines, and pattern of the sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. So F should be written above the C. C, D, E, F, F sharp actually. Next is C on it middle line, G above the C, C, D, E, F, G. Next is D sharp. Okay, and now the flats: 2 vertical lines, 2 curved lines, and flats: B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. So B flat under the C, E above the C, E flat, A flat under the C, and D above the C. Okay, we already know where should be written and sharps and flats. Write the key signature and tonic triads of each of these key. First of all, we have to repeat the table 4 keys and 8 key signature. We name this table Father Charles Goes Down and Ends Battle. Let's write this table on the paper. So Father F, the capital letter, Charles goes down and ends battle. What we have in this case: F, C, G, D, A, E, and B. 0 key signature should be written for the C major. Now 1 sharps, 2 sharps, 3 sharps, and 4 sharps. Okay, C, we find it in the table. After the C we have the G. So the next is G, 1 sharp, D, 2 sharps, A, 3 sharps, and E, 4 sharps. All the scales are major. Now flats: 1 flat, 2 flat, 3 flats, 4 flats. C, before the C we have F, then after F we have B, and we add the B flat. Next one should be E, and we again add the flat, E flat major, and A. All the scales are major. Now the same for minor. So 0, A, minor. Again, 1 sharp, it's going to be E, then 2 sharps we used for B, then we restart 3 sharps, it should be F, and we add F sharp, and 4 sharps, it's the C sharp. And now other side, flats: 1 flat, before A we have D, now 2 flats, before D we have G, now 3 flats, before G we have C, and the last is 4 flats, F. Okay, let's use this table for the next task. Write the key signature and tonic triads of each of these keys. So C minor, we take the table, so we have minor, we find the C. C gives us 3 flats. These flats are start from the B. So from the B we start in back order, B, E, A. So the first flat should be B, next flat E, and the last flat A. Now the C we find on middle, and the tonic triad on above. 1, first, third, and fifth degree. B flat major. Again, use the table: major, B flat, two flats, it's B and E. Okay, so let's start the first B flat, then next one E flat, find the B and the tonic triad, the first, third and fifth degree above. I will ask you to continue this task until the end.